Hello everyone. Today I am going to present about the elastic load balancer. So, what is the elastic load balancer? Elastic load balancer are the forwarded incoming internet traffic to the multiple backend server. There can be possibility as the multiple backend server are stored in the multiple availability zone or same availability zone. So we see about the working of the load balancer. There are the different type of user and accessing of the same data. So load balancer in task that the fetching the data from the multiple backend servers and provide the information like according to the users. Now AWS provide the three type of load balancer: classic, network, and application. In the classic load balancer, it is a older version and lay between the layer 4 and layer 7 of the TCP module. It is provide the basic load balancing, and after the sometimes AWS provide the AWS separated the layer 4 and layer 7 for the load balancer. Layer 4 of the TCP based on the TCP name is the network load balancer, and it provides the high performance of application when the multiple million of requests are there in the gaming application. So network provider are the use in the gaming application. In the application load balancer, it is based on the layer 4 of the TCP model. It is up a highest layer, and it is provided for the HTTP and HTTPS applications and uses in the websites. Now talk about the network load balancer diagram. There are the sources and there are the targets. Sources are like elastic IP and static IP, and targets are the means that backend servers are Amazon EC2 and Amazon ECS, and network load balancer are connecting between them. And there are the several methods: Xenol isolation, health check, sticky sessions, and long-lived TCP connections. Now to talk about the application load balancer diagram. The same as the network load balancer. Here are the source are different like that HTTP and HTTPS and WebSocket is, and methods are content based routing, health check, sticky session, and load balancing. So there is some word of health check. Health check means there is a EC2 instance or backend server are not providing the information, so replace with the healthy resources and usage of the load balancer. Now the main use in the auto scaling load balancer. Auto scaling function are used for the scale out resources and scaling resources. When the scale out resources, we add the EC2 instance, and in the scaling resources, we remove the EC2 instance. So, what is the function of the elastic load balancer in auto scaling? So, auto scaling. So, elastic load balancer is automatically register the new EC2 instance when the scaling out, and deallocating the when the scaling in resources, and replace with the healthy instance. Now we talk about the uses of the load balancer. First is a high availability of the websites. You know that I don't talk about it before, and then we load data from the multiple downstream and single point of access. Then we regular health check, time to time health check of the resources, terminated or not, or providing the data or not, and secure by the when the using virtual private cloud, it is secure. So there is some references. So what is the today learning about the elastic load balancer, how working of the elastic load balancer, different type of elastic load balancer, and using of the load balancer. So thank you, and see you in next session.